So what kind of money things did I do this week? Hi, I'm Kira from Scrunchify, and we are mamas talking to you about personal finance so that you can help design your life. So money topics come up every day, me and Danielle's life, and we do different things. We try to navigate through all these different topics to help us further reach our financial independence goal. 2 weeks ago, I signed up for a new credit card. I love getting those sign-up bonuses, and I just got mine in the mail this week. So what I'm going to do is I have a car insurance premium that's coming up at the end of the month, or February 1st. I'm going to change that credit card on file to my new one so that I can use that bill that I already have. I have to pay for 6 months. I'm going to use that new credit card. That will count towards the credit card spend limit. So they want me to spend $1,500 within 6 months to get that $200 sign-up bonus. So that's actually like pretty easy. My premium's I think like $850 or something, and so I just have a couple $100 more that I'll be spending on like food, groceries, gas, whatever. So I got an email from my bank saying that they now have a new CD that they're offering 15 months. They're going to be offering 5% interest return. So that's like crazy. Like right now there's a lot of like 3% out there, but I'm not really seeing 5%. So I'm going to move some money into that CD. It's going to be locked in for 15 months, but I'm going to be earning that 5% for those 15 months. I need to book a car rental for an upcoming trip, so I'm going to be using one of my credit cards that has a car rental benefit. So if something were to happen to the car, they will reimburse me for that charge. So I'm going to make sure I'm signing up with that credit card. So it's the start of 2023, and I like to use Personal Capital to track my budget, but then I also have like a spreadsheet. Ooh, nerd alert. I have a spreadsheet that I like to use to track like net worth stuff. So I need to create that. I haven't created that yet. I'm renting out my house next month on Airbnb for the full month. So I am going through my house week by week, decluttering, getting rid of items, and trying to sell them on Facebook Market. It's like spring cleaning that I should have done last year, and I've left everything for last minute. But I'm gonna see if I can't get a little bit of money from selling it on Facebook Market.